welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fidget making video. So yeah, first I'm going to start out with the slime one. So you have to grab just any kind of slime. I have this pink one. Sorry the line needs a little bad. So yeah. And then here is this baggie. It's snack size. Any baggie works. Just this one probably works the best. So take your slime and put it. Baggie's probably I can't say the word. Simplest, the easiest one. Simplest, I can't say it. So yeah. Okay, then close your baggie. Then make sure that's all mixed up in the baggie. Fine. Yeah. And then just season it. It's actually really fun to play with. So yeah. And I also have a different fidget. Here it's this. I already made it and I really like how it looks. I don't want to dump it out. It looks like brown in the camera. It's actually really good at pink. So yeah, but I want to add a little more to it. So how I made this already was I just took a bottle. It was outside. It was hot. So yeah. So you just have any empty bottle and you can just fill it up and take off the label. So yeah, we were just sitting outside and they were so hot because we're in the hotel and we have a balcony. So yeah, and I'm gonna add more coloring to that. So yeah, put that aside. And here I have this. Okay, that. So here, all you need is a paper towel and some paper in there. And whatever colors you want. I think I'll take orange, pink, purple. I think those are the color. Maybe some blue. I think those are the color I'm gonna take. Maybe some red just to make purple with the blue. Where's the red marker? Might not be able to find it. Where's the red marker? Okay, I can't find the red marker. Oh, here it is. Found it. So, yeah. Here, take your paper towel and use whatever color you want. Okay, let's color on the paper towel. Do some orange. And let's do some pink. Quite a bit of pink. There we go. And now I'm going to add purple. Now I'm going to do blue and red beside each other. Add purple. Oh yeah, the lighting is fixed now. Okay. That's a lot better. Okay. There's the purple. And here, now I need to do the blue. And then there. Let's start with the blue. There's the blue. Okay, now I need to do the red. Actually looks really pretty. Okay. Okay. Look at that. Okay, so I got orange, pink, purple, blue, and red. So yeah. You can rip it off or use scissors, but I'm going to use scissors so I don't waste too much of the paper towel. So, you know, it's fine. It's pretty a lot. It's a lot, but still. Let's cut it out. You might need parents' help with the scissors. There we go. Cut it out. Or either one works. take your bottle. Why does it look brown on the camera? No, it's pink. So yeah, let's add this into it. I'm not sure what the blue, red, purple, pink, and orange is going to do to this. So let's just add them now. Blue and red might turn purple. Probably is, but you never know. There's other colors too. Okay, I already made this, but I thought I would but I wouldn't put it on camera. Yeah. Shake, shake. And if the bottle's empty, don't get another bottle, because that would just be wasting water. These ones are hot. So yeah, like I said, so if they're empty, just go in the kitchen or bathroom, whatever, and fill it up with water, and then put color in the towel and put it in here. So yeah, marker is the only thing you can color with. I think that's enough. Shaking. Oh, that's so pretty. I might add another color because this is going to be pretty short. First, I'm going to show you guys, and then I'm going to do something. I think which color should I do this on? I'll do the same ones. Maybe in a different order. I did pink, orange, yeah. But now I'm going to start off with red. Actually, no. I'm going to put red right here. There we go. Blue. I did it backwards. Show you this one. I messed up. Well, that's fine. I'll just draw it this way. Now I'll do another. I'll keep that. It looks cool. So here, I'll just finish this. Those be the opposite of this. Okay, now let's add some orange. Okay. So that's cool. Now I just need to do that backwards. I'll do this corner. More blue. There we go. Let's add pink. Then purple and then orange. There we go. Now purple. Okay, there. Now I'm going to do orange. And guys, if you when you get to the cutting part, I'll show you now. Actually. Okay. So when you get to the cutting part, when you need your scissors, with your younger, you can just rip it off. Or if you want scissors, you have to. If you're younger, you have to ask a adult. Say the adult with me. Over there. Let's take up a little bit. doing this week? I would like to know. Okay, this is all finished. Okay, now let's grab our bottle. And if you want to get squeezy like this, you don't just do it. Can't squeeze it. You have to, I would definitely go outside. You take your bottle, and I would definitely go outside, like I said, or do it over a sink. But when, here, I'll tighten the lid. Like you would untighten it a little bit. Then you would squeeze it. Get all the air out. It's blocking me. And you would screw it back on. And it would be squeezable, like, and you flip it upside down to make sure none of the water will come out. So yeah. Now let's mix it. I'm gonna add a lot more pink though. So yeah. Okay, so let's rip this out. Okay, now I'm gonna add this whole thing pink. Here, another one of pink. I don't really know why I'm adding a lot of pink. I like really pink so. Okay, here's the pink. This color. What have you been doing this week? Because I didn't post that much, so. There will be a vlog coming up, don't worry. I know this is a little early on my YouTube channel to be going on a vacation, but yeah. Okay. Almost done coloring on this. I got a little bit more. Okay, guys. So guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you